Forgotten username recovery failed on Tide fix. If you've been trying to recover your username on Tide and the process keeps failing, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people get this wrong because they assume Tide still uses usernames for login, but here's the surprising truth: Tide has completely switched to an email and phone-based login system. That means there is no traditional username to recover. Instead, your registered email or phone number acts as your unique ID. When you try to recover a username, the system can't find one, which makes it seem like recovery has failed. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Tide app or go to the Tide website. On the login screen, enter your registered email address or phone number instead of a username. If you've forgotten your password, select Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email or SMS. Step 2. If you don't receive a reset link, check your spam folder or verify that you're using the same email you used when you created your account. Many Tide users have multiple business or personal emails, so double-checking helps avoid confusion. Step 3. If you still can't log in, reach out to Tide's customer support through the in-app chat or help center. Provide your full name, business name, and registered email. Mention that your forgotten username recovery failed, and they'll manually verify your details. Most people think their account is gone or the system is broken, but that's not true. Tide simply streamlined its security by removing usernames altogether. Your login is now tied to your verified email or phone, making it faster and safer. So don't panic. The fix is simple. Use your registered email or phone number, reset your password if needed, and you regain access to your Tide account in just a few minutes.